Welcome to another edition of The Story Behind the Car. We're with Dave and his 1967 Chevy Chevelle SS. And Dave, what an amazing car, and the paint on this car is just unbelievable.
That's after hours of hard work.
Okay, did you paint it?
A friend of mine painted it.
Okay.
We've done all the body work, complete body off restoration on it.
Okay, wow. And how long have you had it?
I bought it in March of '91.
Okay.
It didn't look like this when I bought it.
It was better looking than this?
No, it was pretty rusty.
Yes.
But it was a real super sport. So
Okay.
I've been looking for one.
And was it originally black?
Yes.
Okay.
It's black now. I love the '67 Marina Blues. I've had one before. But
Yes.
This was originally tuxedo black. So
Okay.
That's what we painted it back to.
Yes. And we'll get to the engine in a second. I see you got the small engine in it, the 427.
Oh, yeah. It didn't come with a 427. They actually came from the factory with a 396.
Okay.
But you could get a dealer installed 427. So I became my own dealer
Okay.
and built the 427 for it. So.
Very nice. And did it originally have a 4-speed?
Yes.
Okay, because I was looking at it and I saw the 4-speed. Boy, it is just in great shape. And how long this was painted, in what year?
Oh, probably 2000.
Wow. Because it looks so darn nice. And I'm assuming you keep it covered and you...
I keep it in the garage.
Yeah.
Yes.
Boy, oh boy. I'm going to walk around it real quick.
Go right ahead.
And I know it's not factory. You've repainted it, but had it been when it was new, if it was a super sport, would it have these stripes on it as well?
Yeah, they put the stripes on. The reason I put them on, because you can see on the inside of the door, on the driver's side, you still see where the red stripes were. So
Okay.
those are the stripes.
Yeah. And do you mind if I open the door, Dave?
Go right ahead.
Okay. Boy, it is very, very clean. And it originally was the center console and the bucket seats.
Yep.
My, oh my. And 67, did it come with seat belts back then?
Yes. Yep. Yep.
Because I think the first year with GM was it 69, or was it 67?
Well, I believe the 66 had them too, but I know the 67 did.
Okay.
It's all original too.
Yeah. Boy, it closes nice too. And can we look at the engine?
Sure.
Or you started to walk to the trunk lid. I don't know if...
I didn't know if you wanted to.
Yeah. Wow. Man. So 427 with a 4-barrel. Yeah.
Yep.
And you don't have air conditioning. You just have...
Just power steering's the only thing you have.
Yeah.
Power steering.
Did it originally have power steering?
Yes.
Oh, it did?
Yeah.
Just beautiful car.
Thank you.
And what is your favorite feature of the vehicle, Dave?
The year.
Yeah.
I like the body style of the 67.
Yes.
So,
And do you take it on any trips or just mainly around town?
mainly just cruising around town. We go out to Winsville to there twice a year.
Yeah.
Out there.
That's a great cruise.
When I first put together, we used to go to a lot of car shows, but don't do the car shows so much anymore.
Yeah. And can I open the driver's door?
Sure can.
Boy, those low back bucket seats are gorgeous.
And this one also has the gauges for the dash, where a lot of them came with the idiot lights. They
Yeah.
called it, but this one originally came with the gauges. So
Yeah, I just was looking at the knobs above the speedometer. That's I've never really paid attention.
Right.
And the mileage on it currently is since you rebuilt it, or?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And is it something you would be willing to start up so we can hear it?
Sure.
You're gonna blow your buddies out, I guess.
The high school building cars, you know, auto repair and auto pop.
Dave's gonna start it up.
But anyway, like I say, if you guys don't want to drive down, you ought to drive the late night down. I'd rather go down in the corner than
That's beautiful sound.
Thank you.
Well, anything I haven't covered, Dave, that we should mention?
I don't think so.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for your time and appreciate it. Thanks for telling us the story behind your car.
My pleasure. Thank you.